My name is Scott Paton. I'm head chef at Àclèaf in Plymouth. The dish we're going to do today is venison with Bordelaise sauce and date. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the dates. We've peeled the skin off. We're going to fill them with a venison farce that we've lightened with pink peppercorn, rose and cranberry. We're going to then stuff those and poach them. Then we're going to take our venison loin, season it lightly, and then into a semi-warm pan. I'm being careful here that the pan isn't too hot because I don't want to sear the outside of the edges of the venison to dry them out too much. I always tell the guys in the kitchen it's always really important to be sympathetic with your protein, because I think the general kind of rule is to get hard colour on everything, but that's not always the case, especially with venison, such a lean meat. You can't really afford to give too much caramelisation. That needs to come from different things like butter or different animal fats. So when we're cooking the venison, we also add in some rosemary, some bay leaf and a little bit of smoked garlic. That just helps the butter infuse, which just embeds a little bit more flavour while it's caramelising. And then we're going to move over to the salsify. So we're going to peel the salsify down and then poach it in a seasoned Bordeaux poaching liquor. So we've taken some really beautiful Bordeaux wine from Bordelaise, which is a Margaux, and then we're going to take the salsify out, cool it down, reduce the cooking liquid into a glaze, and then that will be used to reheat and give it a lovely kind of thick coating to the salsify when it comes to plate. Here we have a venison jus made in the kind of traditional style, roasted off the bones, added some veal glass and some chicken stock, and some any venison trimmings, a light mirepoix, and then here is where we've added more of that lovely Bordeaux wine, reduce that down, and then we're going to finish the sauce with some of the venison blood that we've frozen and are just kind of melting back and monteing through the sauce with a little bit of butter to thicken. To plate the venison, we have a little bit of date puree topped with a cocoa twill in with our logo of the Àclèaf. Then we have the Bordeaux poached salsify, the stuffed date, which we've then glazed back through some of the venison jus and date molasses. To finish is the beautiful venison with the Bordelaise sauce. And there we have venison with Bordelaise and date.